guess. That's always a good thing in this part of the country, but we are on the road again. We're headed over to Sand Hollow to pull out a Jeep Wrangler. They are stuck, and I'll fill you in on a little tidbit of information. It is a rental, so it could be really stuck. But we'll get out there in the old Cherokee, see if we can get that pulled out. Had a pretty busy day today. We went down to the sand chute, and we had a side-by-side down there that was pretty well stuck, so we hitched up the old mules, give them a pull out. That only took us a couple hours, wasn't no big deal. But we're headed out here to Sand Hollow, and we will take you along for the ride. These because I get my feet muddy, but it'll be just fine. We'll see what's going on. If we gotta go get the Nodwell to get them out, we will, but otherwise we're gonna sneak over here in the Cherokee. Me and old Poppy. Huh, Poppy? What you doing? So you got anything to say, Mr. Ed? So we'll work our way around here and see if we can get them pulled out and see where we end up. They're pretty good little rigs, really.
And they're cheap and they last forever. You have the inline 6 or?
Yeah.
See? Doesn't die.
No, they're great.
I'm actually saving up for LJ right now. You see his Jeep? That is the same motor as the LJ if I meant
Get rid of a few of these branches here. Make sure we're not gonna tear something up. So looks can be deceiving. It looks hard, but it's not. It gets pretty soft. The old Jeep did all right though, got it out of there. Hey you guys, it's Steve's birthday today.
Strong work, right?
Strong work. So this one's on me.
Oh no.
How about that?
Well, I appreciate
Happy
that.
stinking birthday. Okay, that was a good time right there. Just got down in that peanut butter mud along the edge of the lake. They were gonna turn around, but it got a little soft on them. It's kind of deceiving because that swamp grass dies and it gets really dry. So it was actually his birthday. So my Godfreys, when you come to southern Utah and you rent a Jeep and you get it stuck on the beach, Casey's Off-Road Recovery will come down and recover you for free, but only if it's your birthday. So happy stinking birthday. and enjoy the rest of your trip in southern Utah. And thanks for coming along for the ride. I guess I'm headed home. To heck with the shop. I've had enough. It's 5 o'clock anyways. I'm sure I'm not done for the day. So we got back down in there and hit him with a little bit of a tug on that 30-foot rope. That's the stupidest outro I've ever